Conjugation of the verb to accept in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I accept. 2. Simple past, I accepted. 3. Simple future, I will accept. 4. Present continuous, I am accepting. 5. Past continuous, I was accepting. 6. Future continuous, I will be accepting. 7. Present perfect, I have accepted. 8. Past perfect, I had accepted. 9. Future perfect, I will have accepted. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been accepting. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been accepting. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been accepting. Conjugation of the verb to accept. He, she, or it. 1. Simple present. He, she, or it accepts. 2. Simple past. He, she, or it accepted. 3. Simple future. He, she, or it will accept. 4. Present continuous. He, she, or it is accepting. 5. Past continuous. He, she, or it was accepting. 6. Future continuous. He, she, or it will be accepting. 7. Present perfect. He, she, or it has accepted. 8. Past perfect. He, she, or it had accepted. 9. Future perfect. He, she, or it will have accepted. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she, or it has been accepting. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she, or it had been accepting. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she, or it will have been accepting. Conjugation of the verb to accept. You, we, or they. 1. Simple present. You, we, or they accept. 2. Simple past. You, we, or they accepted. 3. Simple future. You, we, or they will accept. 3. Simple future. You, we, or they will accept. 4. Present continuous. You, we, or they are accepting. 5. Past continuous. You, we, or they were accepting. 6. Future continuous. You, we, or they will be accepting. 7. Present perfect. You, we, or they have accepted. 8. Past perfect. You, we, or they had accepted. 9. Future perfect. You, we, or they will have accepted. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we, or they have been accepting. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we, or they had been accepting. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we, or they will have been accepting. Verb to accept forms. Present simple I, you, we, they accept. He, she, it accepts. Past simple accepted. Past participle accepted. Accepting.